Hi, this is Austin with navrepair.com, and today we'll be going over some common problems associated with the MYGIG RBZ infotainment system found in 2007 to 2014 Chrysler Dodge Jeep vehicles. The first common problem we see with the RBZ infotainment system has to do with the touchscreen. As you can see with this one, it's completely damaged. We do have factory OEM replacement touchscreens available in order to repair this common problem. Another common problem we see with these units has to do with the CD-DVD mechanism. The slot is found behind the screen here. A couple problems with the CD-DVD mechanism are read errors and inability to eject or insert a CD. Third common problem is has to do with the hard drive, corrupt hard drive. And you'll notice if you have a corrupt hard drive, because once you power on the radio will either be stuck on the splash screen that displays the vehicle's logo, or it'll go from the vehicle's logo splash screen to just a black screen. So I've gone over a few issues that we see commonly with the RBZ infotainment system. The first is the LCD touchscreen. The second is the CD-DVD mechanism, and the third is the corrupt hard drive. If you have any questions or concerns, you can visit our website www.navrepair.com, or you can shoot us an email at support@navrepair.com, or give us a call at 1-855-628-7372. If you need help removing your radio from your vehicle's dash, you can click on the link below, and that will take you to a couple removal guides, removal videos.